Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Tea with the Lady M. Today I have an unboxing for you with items I picked up from Bath & Body Works and a fun little set from Barnes & Noble. I'll go ahead and insert clips of that. This is the pistachio latte. We will see if it is any good. And yes, it absolutely lives up to the hype. This is my Bath & Body Works haul. I have this adorable Brontosaurus holder thingy. And then I bought a bunch of sanitizers. These two are newer flavors, the pineapple mango, the raspberry tangerine, and they smell amazing. The lilac is always really nice too, but it's a little bit strong, so highly recommend you sniff it before you test it. And the champagne toast is my favorite of the lot, so that was what I got at Bath & Body Works. At Barnes & Noble, I picked up this Lego succulent botanical collection set. I went a little crazy. It's gonna be fun. It's 771 pieces. I was looking for a journal, and of course I walked out with something I didn't intend. The same thing happens very often when I go to Target. But this looks so cool, I couldn't pass it up. I will keep you posted. It looks like you can build all of these plants individually, so we shall see. I also forgot to mention I have a skincare product that I ordered from Nordstrom, so I'll be unboxing that with you. And I wanted to mention that I'll be posting a few more shorts videos just as a way to stay connected with you. If you'd like to see those, just click on the shorts tab for this channel, and I'm sure you'll find a wide array of items from gardening to animals, beauty, and lifestyle. This is the Supergoop sunscreen, and I got the Play version of it because it was a lot cheaper than the Unseen and the, forget what the other one is, but I've used it for about a year, and it is worth every penny because sunscreen is the best preventative you can pick up. Thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next go round.